Good evening, everybody. This is NCWQ, and it is 6:58 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Date is 2/1/2024, and I pulled up some earthquakes because Bremner told me there'd been some earthquakes in Scotland, United Kingdom, in the last few days. So I pulled up the earthquakes from the 26th until today, which is the first. And I found that there was a 2.3, a 3.3, and a 2.8. So we're going to export these as a KML to Google Earth. And then I am going to make these yellow so we can see where these are located. I already know what one's nearest one of them. So we can see one of these is over here near Kroig and Der Weg. So this one is over in here. You can see there's a lodge over here. Looks like there's houses over here. It's like a small lake, maybe. Not very good views in this area, but we'll show you the other ones. So we'll go back this way. So we have the 2.3, which is over here. So there are three here. So I was looking around to see what could be causing these earthquakes. You can see this is Elun Shola, which is Loch Moidart, Scotland. The earlier Gaelic name Arthrager, Arthrig, meaning foreshore island. Um, the population there is currently 2, but in 1851 there were reports of evacuations and immigration of 37 families from the island and nearby settlement of Dorland in the wake of a potato blight. Um, Not sure what the creation of these islands is. This is a hamlet. So that is one, and the other is down here, which was the one I believe we just looked at. And I did find a reason for the third one. This one here seems to have this one is Aggregate Industries Aggregates Glinsada. Um, as you can tell, this is mining the soil, and can tell that they've been digging into the ground here. So that's one of them. And then the other one is down here. I don't know if there's any views in this area or not. And it does not appear to be. But that would be a good reason to cause earthquakes. It's when you're digging into the soil and it's a lake. So that's one. So these were like kind of as in a triangle. If you look at them, there were 3. So the 2.3, 3.3, and 2.8 were all at 7 kilometers in depth. So just interesting. There you have it. I just wanted to let Bremner's Ghost see where these earthquakes are occurring. Hope y'all are doing well. Please take good care of yourselves and each other. Much love.